Hi friends, this is Mary. Welcome back to Cardz TV. In this purple envelope, I have the Cardz TV Christmas card and tag kit. Now, I wasn't able to bring in as many of these as I wanted to, guys. One of my vendors shorted me, and I wasn't able to source that item anywhere else. So these are very, very limited, guys. Very limited. I'm so sorry about that. But let me show you what comes in this purple envelope. In this kit, you'll get 5 pieces of 8.5 by 11 cardstock that you can use for card bases or mats. And we've got black, light blue, ivory, Christmas green, and Christmas red. You'll get 12 6x6 sheets of Christmas papers, and there'll be a variety of different ones in each set. But we've got this really cute one with the Santa and the reindeer and the sleigh. We've got Christmas trees, ornaments, holly and berries, some plaids. So you'll get 12 of those. You'll get 6 of these sturdy craft colored tags. And you're going to get the baker's twine to go in your tags. And this will be 3 in red and white and 3 in green and white. You'll get a stamp pad. This one happens to be red, but you may get green or another color. You're going to get a set of Echo Park enamel dots. This is called Deck the Halls. And we've got red, dark green, light green, medium green, and this pretty gold with glitter in it. You'll get 2 envelopes and 2 card bases in white. And you're going to get a set of Cardz TV Christmas die cuts. We've got some gingerbread men. Aren't they cute? We've got small ones and large ones. We've got these 2. Now, you could use these for tags by themselves, or you could put them on the tag. This is 2 wreaths, Happy Holidays. We got 2 penguins that are so cute with Santa hats. And then we've got some cute little reindeer. And last but not least, you'll get 2 sets of Cardz TV Christmas stamps. You can check out the Cardz TV Christmas card and tag kit by going to cardztvstamps.blogspot.com. It sells for $29.95, and that includes your shipping and handling, guys. Thank you so much for coming by and spending just a little part of your day with me, and I will see you again soon. Bye now.